Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ruchika and welcome to Creating Balance. Although bad breath is not a medical emergency, but it is a very common problem that can lead to psychological stress and low confidence. It is estimated to affect a very large number of population globally. Bad breath is also known as halitosis or oral malodor. It is the third most common reason for which people seek dental care after tooth decay and gum disease. In this video, I will discuss with you what might be the reasons that can lead to bad breath. I will talk about the causes of the bad breath and I will also tell you how to deal with it. So let's start the video. First of all, let us talk about the causes of bad breath. The cause of bad breath can be either oral, that is, it might be related to the mouth only, or the cause of the bad breath can be extraoral. That is, bad breath can be due to diabetes, ENT problems, sinusitis, etc. All these problems can also lead to bad breath. But 87% of the cases of bad breath are found related to the oral causes only. So in this video, I will talk about how to deal with the oral causes of bad breath. First of all, let me tell you what all oral causes of bad breath can be there. The first and very important, most common cause of bad breath is poor oral hygiene. That is, remaining dental plaque or food debris on the tooth surfaces. When there are food particles left over on the teeth, then the bacterial breakdown of these food particles by the bacteria in the mouth can lead to the production of foul-smelling sulfur compounds. These sulfur compounds have a very foul smell and this can lead to bad breath. The other oral causes of bad breath are infection in the tooth or tooth decay, then infection in the periodontal tissues or gum infections, then there might be abscess due to any kind of infection in the mouth. Then dry mouth is also a very common reason of oral malodor. Our saliva has a natural ability to cleanse out our teeth, but when the flow of saliva in our mouth decreases, it can lead to bad breath. This decreased flow of saliva can be due to many medications. Also, when a person has a habit of mouth breathing, this will also dries out his mouth. Also, our mouth usually produces less saliva and the flow of saliva is less when we are sleeping. So you might have noticed that the bad breath is worst in the morning. Then coating on the tongue surface is also a very common reason for bad breath. Next common reason is smoking. People who smoke will suffer from bad breath. One, due to the smell of the smoke itself, then the other reason is that smoking decreases the saliva production in our mouth. Then bad breath from mouth might be due to various foods like raw garlic or raw onions. As we have discussed about the causes of bad breath, let's talk about its treatment. The majority of the cases of bad breath can be treated just by maintaining good oral hygiene. For that, the first thing that you need to do is to maintain a proper oral hygiene by brushing your teeth properly at least twice a day. But brushing will clean only 60% surfaces of the teeth. So make sure to also floss your teeth every single day at least once a day, because flossing will clean the interdental surfaces of the teeth. Then to complete this cleaning process of your oral cavity, also make sure to clean your tongue. You can use a tongue scraper for it. So tongue cleaning and flossing are very necessary to be performed daily along with the brushing of the teeth. Then also make sure to stay hydrated and drink a plenty of water to prevent bad breath, because water will keep on cleansing your mouth regularly and it will also prevent your mouth from drying out. You can also chew onto fennel seeds, because the aromatic essential oils in the fennel seeds will not only prevent the bacteria to grow in your oral cavity, but it will also provide your breath a fresh scent. Also, make sure to replace your toothbrush regularly because frayed out bristles of the toothbrush are not effective in cleaning the teeth properly. If you wear a denture, then make sure to remove it and clean it properly before going to sleep. Also, clean it properly before putting it on in the morning. You can also chew onto mint leaves because mint has chlorophyll which will neutralize the malodor. Then if you have consumed any food item that has very strong smell like raw garlic or onion, then make sure to brush your teeth properly after that. Occasionally, you can also use some over-the-counter mouthwash just to freshen up your breath. But mouthwashes should only be used occasionally. Then to deal with bad breath, it is also very important to quit smoking and tobacco. So for people who do smoke and use tobacco, please make sure to quit it. Then if you don't find any relief even after following the techniques that I have mentioned in this video, then make sure to check out for the other non-oral causes of oral malodor. Also, do visit your dentist regularly. That's it for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Thank you very much for watching.